Upgrading your windows and doors is one of the best ways to enhance your home's security, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. While some homeowners may consider a DIY approach, professional installation offers superior long-term benefits that outweigh the risks of improper fitting or structural issues. In Bel Air, where home values are high and climate conditions vary, hiring skilled professionals ensures the best results. Here's why professional window and door installation is a smart investment for your home. Precision and expertise. Professional installers have the training, experience, and specialized tools required to ensure that your windows and doors fit perfectly. Precise installation prevents air leaks, water damage, and structural problems, all of which can compromise your home's comfort and efficiency. Unlike DIY attempts, which may lead to costly mistakes, hiring professionals guarantees that the job is done right the first time. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the biggest advantages of professionally installed windows and doors is improved energy efficiency. Poorly installed units can lead to air leaks, forcing your heating and cooling systems to work harder. In contrast, expert installers ensure a proper seal, reducing heat loss in the winter and keeping cool air inside during the summer. This results in lower energy bills and a more comfortable indoor environment year-round. Increased home security. Your windows and doors serve as key entry points to your home, making security a top priority. Professional installers use high-quality materials and advanced locking mechanisms to enhance your home's protection. They also ensure that doors and windows are properly aligned and reinforced, reducing the risk of break-ins. This added security gives homeowners peace of mind, knowing that their property and loved ones are safe. Higher property value. Bel Air is known for its luxurious homes, and high-quality windows and doors can significantly increase a property's value. Professionally installed, stylish, and energy-efficient upgrades make a home more appealing to potential buyers. If you plan to sell your home in the future, investing in professional window and door installation can provide a strong return on investment (ROI). Compliance with local building codes. Building codes in Bel Air and surrounding areas require specific standards for window and door installations. Professional installers are familiar with these regulations and ensure compliance to avoid any legal or safety issues. Improperly installed windows and doors can lead to violations that may require costly corrections, whereas certified professionals guarantee that all installations meet local requirements. Warranty protection. Many window and door manufacturers offer warranties that are only valid if their products are installed by certified professionals. DIY installations or improper work by inexperienced contractors can void these warranties, leaving you without protection against defects or performance issues. Hiring professionals ensures that you maintain warranty coverage, protecting your investment for years to come. Time and cost efficiency. While a DIY installation may seem like a cost-saving option, it often results in unexpected expenses due to errors, delays, and the need for additional materials. Professional installers work efficiently, completing the job in a timely manner without compromising quality. Their expertise helps you avoid costly mistakes and ensures that your new windows and doors function properly from day one. Improved curb appeal. The appearance of your home is greatly influenced by its windows and doors. Professional installers ensure a flawless fit and finish, enhancing your home's exterior and boosting curb appeal. Whether you prefer modern, classic, or custom designs, expert installation ensures that your new windows and doors complement your home's architecture beautifully. Proper insulation and noise reduction. A well-installed window or door does more than just look good. It also improves insulation and reduces outdoor noise. This is especially important in a bustling area like Bel Air, where traffic, construction, or neighborhood activities can disrupt your peace and quiet. Professional installation guarantees a tight seal, minimizing sound infiltration and keeping your home comfortable and serene. Hassle-free experience. Taking on a window or door installation project yourself can be stressful and time-consuming. Professional installers handle everything, from measuring and preparing the space to ensuring a clean, debris-free finish. They also provide guidance on the best materials and designs for your home, making the entire process smooth and stress-free. Final thought. Professional window and door installation in Bel Air offers numerous benefits, from enhanced security and energy efficiency to increased home value and aesthetic appeal. While DIY installation might seem like an appealing way to cut costs, the expertise, precision, and long-term advantages of hiring professionals make it a worthwhile investment. If you're considering upgrading your windows and doors, choose a trusted installation service to ensure top-quality results that will enhance your home for years to come.